Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Okay, so for the euro dollar, it is in this larger channel. We're testing the bottom of the channel right now. Marked by this white line. Where you break down the channel, it could, right? But if you look at the RSI and all time frames, you can see here that it is very close to the bottom, right? And unless there's a very clear stop out, there's a very clear breakout of this channel, I think what is more likely to happen is something like this. It does this for a while and then goes up, right? So this is for the upside, right? And if it wants to break down, I think a strong rejection here. Sorry, let me use the right color. A strong rejection here in this one. And then break down further. Right, so if it takes the bear case, I think there's no precedence as to where the price could go. Right. So if there's no precedence, let's do this. I think this could be a level. But typically if it goes down there, I think this is just like a rough gauge you could use, right? But the price almost never ever lands on that. I mean, take a look at, right? This is kind of close, but look at this, right? It reaches the 61.8 first. It doesn't really bounce off there the first time around. It just bounces around it up and down this whole level. And look at the range of this. Right? It's over 1,000 pips. Imagine if you're risking a huge amount of the portfolio, the swings are volatile. Right? So I think if it does break down, expect some kind of reaction at this level, and then it could even go back all the way down here. Right? Do not be surprised. But I think if nothing changes, I am favoring the upside a bit more. So really looking for this to happen, some choppiness, and then a break upwards.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.